And I felt like a boom in your arms. I call home. Do you know?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. और आज का वीडियो would be more about general observations, and sorry for not uploading any content last week. I was busy with my best friend's wedding, so yeah, that's that. And थोड़ा गला ख़राब चल रहा है एंड सर्दी सी भी हो रखी है. फाइनली दिल्ली में ठंड आ चुकी है जिसका हम बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड ऑल्सो हैप्पी दैट एवरीथिंग वेंट सो वेल एट माई फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग. And also, like, I feel इतनी एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी मैंने ऑफिस से बहुत टाइम बाद ली है. Like even then I was not able to record anything, so that's sad, but yeah, I'm really happy for my friend. ऑलराइट, सो आज के पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में मैं कवर करना चाहूँगा अबाउट job in general and promotions in jobs. Like in general, like मैंने अभी रिसेंटली एक दोस्त को देखा है who is feeling a little overwhelmed with her promotion and whatnot. So yeah, just wanted to share a little bit more about what needs to be done before you apply for a promotion. So yeah, firstly, आपके दिमाग में एक clear picture होना चाहिए कि what exactly you would like to do once you reach a certain number of years in an organization. Because अगर आपके पास कोई clear path नहीं होगा, then you would go ahead and apply for anything and everything, which would definitely be overwhelming to say the least. And yeah, I mean, unless you have a clear goal in your mind कि ये organization है, यहाँ पे ये departments है, ये roles है, you need to be very clear and conscious about making that choice. Like you can't just wake up one day and decide to apply for this role or that role because you think you are eligible, and even as per the people interviewing you, like the leadership, and they think you are eligible, but until and unless you are not ready to take that full ownership, full responsibility, yeah, it doesn't really help. So you need to know which role you want to go to, talk to different people about that particular role and see क्या क्या होता है उसमें, how does a day to day look like. Because अभी क्या हो रहा है कि my friend has to work like outside office hours as well as on the weekends, so which is not fair. So yeah, because the calm is so overwhelming. Like we both had our promotions about a couple of months gap में, while I'm enjoying my day-to-day work and I feel grateful for my job. Yeah, her feelings definitely has swayed a little bit. So yeah, that's why I would always recommend you to prepare for the role that you want to go to, and then give it your 100%, because otherwise आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे, आप बर्नआउट फील करोगे, and yeah, it's not going to help you in any way. So always keep that in mind. Alright, seems clear. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying कि definitely हर चीज़ को मत दे. आपको अगर पता ही नहीं होगा डे टू डे क्या होता है वो पर्टिकुलर जॉब में, then yeah, your life would become a hell. And let me just pause this video right here and I'll continue streaming in a few minutes. Hey guys, sorry about that, or I would like to continue with our vlog. So yeah, as I said, you need to know how the particular job functions in a day in and day out basis, so that you are mentally prepared and you can visualize how it's going to look. And you need to know, before that you need to know which type of job you want to go to in the organization. So yeah, that's another important point. And the third important point would be to check if it aligns with your personal goals. Now by that, what I mean is, सबको को कुछ ना कुछ आइडिया होता है अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस, एंड यू नीड टू चेक इफ इट अलाइंस with your strengths, as well as if it's going to help you overcome some of your areas of opportunities. तो उससे क्या होता है कि आप अपने नेक्स्ट रोल को मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं in those certain areas and aspects. And yeah, you learn a lot as well. I know learning itself सबका strong suit नहीं होता है, so I understand that, but अगर आप सीख नहीं रहे हर प्रमोशन के बाद, हर रोल चेंज के बाद, then what's the point? So that's why learning is an important aspect as well, but the particular role should also, utilize your strengths and the qualities and skills that you have developed to its full potential. So yeah, that's very important. तो यही था मेरा 2 cents आज के लिए, and I hope you liked my video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.